Hello, my beautiful people. This is Eva TV program. My people, it don't happen again for one of our sisters. So as soon as they say I'm so, now man, I send and go RIP for Concordia Sigentaria. Concordia Sigentaria for this abroad, though, now I send and for this Italy. So this woman get 3 children. One 11 years old, while the other one are 7 years. The smallest one is 2 years plus. Now this man just open his 2 eyes and now go earlier grave. Somebody when he no create, somebody when he no give life, now he send and go earlier grave. My women, my people, every day I dey tell you now. When you see your marriage don turn to another thing, e don turn to domestic violence, run and borrow your 2 leg. Both the man na the same thing that they warn you. If you see say your woman dey carry instrument, you don take dey threaten your life, borrow your leg. The same thing na the both side me I dey talk. I no dey talk for one side. So because dem say wetin no start, e no dey come cause wahala. As you see say e dey start, run for your dear life. Una see this woman so. This woman na Yoruba, while the man na Agbo man. This man send this Yoruba woman to earlier grave. This woman will complete 36 years this year. Now he send and go. Woman full of life. He make and leave 3 children. Because of 3 children, man dey beat you. You say you no wan leave am. Because of the children. I no sure say na these children make you stay with that man every time, according to this brother when he send am to me. So he say na he dey stay with them before. Because of this problem, na he comot for the house. Because every time that they fight, every time the man when dem fight, na so the man go dey injure am with some instrument. They use am dey wound the woman, but the woman will still stay inside. They will fight, they will settle. Everybody don't talk. When he, according to Ram, he say when they go quarrel like this problem happen, they will do the next thing. I not there against man of God, I not there against church. But my people, pastor, anyone when you be, if you see same husband and wife don't turn to this kind thing, they use instruments, they fight. When they come to you for an advice, tell the woman to leave. Tell her the truth. Not be say you settle the matter. Okay, look now, he don't die. Where una dey? Una go fit come take the 3 children now. When he leave, he not dey that one. Make una dey be careful the matter una settle, especially when he reach of domestic violence. When then they use instruments, they hurt the other one. Una better tell the woman or tell the man, this is the thing. Because when you don't warrant like this to they use the instrument, they fight, both of you should separate. Don't tell them to stay. After all, these 2 people are not even married. They are just boyfriend and girlfriend. See the end, he send this young lady go earlier grave. You, this woman too. They say he do assistant socially, even won't remove and there he refuse. He even stand they defend the man. Una see? If say that time like December time when he drive her out of that house and with the children inside this heavy coat, this woman really leave this man. He go see herself for this condition? No, he go still they live for the children. You see, anywhere you dey now, if then they see, you go they regret your life. The children are there. If a man can stand, he use instrument, just choke a wife, choke and not be 1, not be 2, not be 3. Make sure he kill you to finish your life. They always warn you. They say they warn, they always talk and say, I will kill you. Now, this woman, he must succeed to kill you now. Now, if they see there waiting, you will think to yourself. They even arrest the man. They said the man said he has no regret of killing her. You they walk, why the man they walk? Ask me. This one no be pikin money na. This one na just, this man hates her. This woman supposed to know that this man that she is staying with, he no love am kobo, he no love am. When man say he no want you, don't force yourself on that man. Even the man wants you, the man dey use something instrument on you. Make sure you drive that man away for your life, because every day no be celebration. Time dey come, he will use that thing, he will use and kill you. See how young this woman dey now. Just see the way this man kill this woman with cold blood. He no think about, no be him create this woman, no be him born this woman. He just kill her, he no think about anything. He send this woman go her earlier grave. My brothers and sisters, you better bear Miss or Mr. than to bear Mrs. and go to grave. You better be a bachelor than to go to your earlier grave. I warned you, I tell you people, every day I continue, they tell una. It better you remain single than to send yourself to earlier grave. You no bear Mrs. This no mean say you no dey life or you no dey live. You no know wetin many people dey pass through inside their home, inside their marriage. Na like this e dey happen. Like this woman own, they say everybody know of the thing. They say wetin people know, wetin you know say they come for your front. If you know hold am, take am do something so serious, na like this e dey come end up to be. My sister, my brother, if una see this kind thing dey come to una relationship, make you run. E better you dey alive to take care of those children than you leave them behind. Pikin, when you even hold yourself now, e dey tough on somebody, talk less of you leave these children. Now you go, and the man say no regret of killing her. Sister, if dem dey come another word, you no go so love so tey you go blind to the essence, you go to this earlier grave. The one when dey watch me, when you know say your husband dey beat you, or your boyfriend dey beat you, or your woman dey beat you, dey carry instrument, dey run and leave. Friendship, relationship, marriage is not by force. It's not do or die. Abeg, make una learn sense. Where this thing happen, so na Concordia Sagittaria na it happen for Italy. Make una use this one, dey get sense. So my people, na only like this I fit talk and reach. So make una stay safe, and make una always dey protect una self. I pray may God guide each and every one of us. Una do well. Bye.